Wow, haven't seen a storm like this in a while, but obviously my phone isn't going to show how bad it is. It doesn't show as bad as it actually is in person. In person it's a lot worse. It's just my phone, it just doesn't want to show everything because it's rigid. It only shows a particular amount, which is just clever, very clever, in the worst way possible. It also is hailing too. It was hailing anyway. I don't know if it still is. Oh yeah, it is still hailing. Wow, hope our vehicles are okay. What? Haven't seen hail like this in a while, guys. Oh boy. Guys, look. Mama, hurry. Turn off my computer. Jeez. May 26, 2019. It is getting worse. Ooh, the hail's getting even bigger. Jeez. Oh my god. I haven't seen hail like this, I don't think, in a long time. Really? I need to go there in a minute.
It's worse back here.
Guys, look.
It's more rain back here though than hail, but it's worse.
Look at that hail.
Rain. Yeah.
I hope our vehicles will be alright.
Oh, they'll be fine.
So tomorrow,
I'll work with you tomorrow.
so we're picking up our
If you
U-Haul in
want.
the morning, right? Yeah.
Whoa, that's like almost
Wow.
gum-sized hail. I like that
a
little,
look at the,
that little, what do you call it? That thing that's over there, that gum.
The gumball machine.
Yeah, like a gumball. Yeah, like gumball sized. Or like cherry sized, almost.
Oh, that's great.
Shoot, I should have.
I don't know, maybe.
Too late now.
Oh well. Yeah, it does look worse over here, even though it's really not. It just looks that way.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be cool off.
Yeah, that's for sure. And
Ooh, did you hear
our
that?
lawn is getting a nice rain again.
I haven't seen this. Well, then again, we haven't. This is the first time a hailstorm we had in our new house. See that over there?
Wow.
When's the last time we got this sized hail? It's been a little while. It's been at least 6 months or more. I think it was more. Well, I wouldn't be driving in that, but maybe he has to.
Mouse, what are you doing, Mouse? Sweet Mouse.
Let's go and go on the other side. This is pretty bad, but let's... Oh, hail is still dropping. Guess a couple more minutes we'll look, see what happens. We are under a tornado warning, guys. I did not see this coming. I had no clue it would be a tornado today, guys. This is nuts. Look at all that hail, guys. Oh my god.
Look at that gutter. All the water running down the gutter.
Yikes. Hope the cats will be alright. I'm sure they will be.
All three of them are right here now. What's going on? What's all this noise?
Wow. This feels a lot like, more like summer. Oh boy, I wonder what Oklahoma's getting right now. It's probably unbelievable what Oklahoma's getting.
It looks like twisters.
Yeah, probably is. We had a tornado warning on the TV alone.
It looks like twisters in Nebraska, Oklahoma, Kansas,
Now maybe even Colorado.
and eastern parts of Colorado.
Ooh, lightning. Did you unplug my computer?
Oh shoot, I haven't done it yet.
Oh boy, I hope it's okay. Sure it will be.
It doesn't look like we're getting really a lot of lightning or anything.
We got a little lightning here though. Yep. Aurora, Colorado. At least it's nice, cooler weather. It's going to be nice and cooler tonight. Not going to be as warm as it has been. Whoa. Water puddles. Holy crap. Guys, it's hailing even worse now. You can hear it from the roof. The cats are running. Oh, I wonder what it's like on the other side. They've been getting worse hail on the other side. Let me go look. Whoa, this must be bad. I can hear it from upstairs. Holy moly. Ooh. I hope my eyes aren't tricking me out, but maybe my eyes are tricking me out. I thought I saw a little damage right there from the storm. Why, God? Why the hail? What the hail? Well, it's really not God, to be honest. I don't think it's necessarily him. It's Mother Nature, pretty much. Yep. Aw, baby Jenny is scared. She doesn't know what's going on. Aw, it's okay, baby Jenny. Everything's okay. Wow, that is like almost a gumball-sized tail right there. Alright, there's the first 10 minutes of the actual storm. I'm gonna go ahead and take a break filming, and I'll film if it gets any worse than this. See ya.